Hello students, today we will be doing 10 important MCQs of class 9. So the first question is, a rational number between root 2 and root 3 is, so as you know, the value of root 2 is 1.414 and so on. And you know the value of root 3 is 1.732 and so on. So here you can see the value of root 2 is 1.4 and here it is 1.7. So a rational number between this will be 1.5, as 1.5 lies between 1.4 and 1.7. So after this, come to question number second. The value of 1.999 and so on in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, is, so here you are given 1.999. You can write it as 1.9 bar, okay, and take it as x. Now after decimal you are having one digit, so you will multiply by 10 on both the sides, so it will be 10x equals 19.9 bar. So take it equation first, this is equation second, so subtract equation first from equation second. So 10x minus x is 9x and 19.9 bar minus 1.9 bar, it is 9, that is 18. So x is 18 upon 9 equals 2. So the answer is C. After this, third question is the decimal expansion of the number root 2 is. So a finite decimal, first of all you should know root 2 equals 1.41421356237 and so on. Okay, so this is the value for root 2. They are saying a finite decimal. Is there finite decimal means, is there a endpoint? No, there is no endpoint, so this is not the answer. It is given 1.41421, but here other values are also there, so this is also not possible. After this they are saying non-terminating recurring. That means, what is non-terminating? That is one that does not have end term. Okay, so here you are not having the end term, so it is non-terminating. Okay, then they are saying recurring. Recurring means repeating. Is there repetition is going on? No. So this is also not possible. So the correct answer is D, that is non-terminating. That is, it does not have end term and it is non-recurring, non-repeating. Okay. So after this, question fourth is, which of the following is irrational? So see, first is under root 4 upon 9, that means 2 upon 9, so it is a rational number. Under root 12 upon under root 3, you can write like this, under root 4 into 3 upon root 3, or 2 root 3 upon root 3. This cancels, so it is 2 upon 1 you can write. It is also a rational number. After this you are having root 7. Now take root 81. You know root 81 is, you can write like this, 9 into 9 or 9. 9 upon 1 is also a rational number. So the irrational number is this one. C option is correct, root 7. After this, question number 5th is, which of the following is irrational? Now here you should know, for irrational you should have, the number should be non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, now non-terminating, it means one that does not have end term. Okay, so which does not have end term? This one, and this one. Okay, then non-recurring means non-repeating. Here repetition is going on in A and B, so your correct answer is D. Now the sixth question is 2 root 3 plus root 3. This you have to solve it. It is equal to, so take root 3 common. So it will be 2 plus 1. So it is 3 root 3. So the correct option is C. So your seventh question is root 10 multiplied by root 15 is equal to. So here root 10 you can write it like this, 2 into 5. Multiply by root 15 you can write as 3 into 5. So you can write it like this, 2 into 5 multiply by 3 into 5. So take 5 common over here. So it will be 5 root 6. So the correct option is B. Question number 8 is the value of root 32 plus root 48 divided by root 8 plus root 12. Okay. Now here first write like this, root 32 equals, you can do, that is 8 4 times. Okay. So you can write 4 root 2. Then root 48 means 8 into 6, or you can write it like this, that is 4 2 times and 2 3 times. So it will be 4 root 3. Then root 8 you can write like this, 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 2 root 2. After this root 12 you can write 3 into 4 or 2 root 3. So put the values over here. So it is 4 root 2 plus 4 root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now take 4 common. So it is root 2 plus root 3 upon, take 2 common over here, root 2 plus root 3. Cancel this term. So it is 2. So the answer is B. So after this, question 9 is the value of 2 upon 5 to the power minus 3. So here you know a to the power minus m equals 1 upon a to the power m. So you can write it like this, 5 by 2 whole 3. So just solve it, 5 3 times and 2 3 times. So how much it is? It is 125 upon 8. So correct answer is C. The last question is the value of minus 3 by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. So the value you have to solve. Now here minus 3 by 8, this is minus sign. So you can write, that is 8 by 3 to the power 3. Okay. Multiply by 4 by, it is 9 by 4 to the power 2. Now here the power is odd, so you will be having minus sign. Then write 8 3 times, 3 3 times, then 9 2 times, and 4 2 times. Just solve it. So you get minus 96. So the correct answer is A. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.